Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. We're going to just go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to show you all the tools and items that I use. That was a concealer. That's the foundation. This is the Anastasia pomade, eyebrow pomade that I use. I also use a eyebrow razor. You can get this at your local beauty supply store for like $1. Some scissors, and that is a brush to brush out the foundation and the concealer, which you will see in the video. This is an eyebrow pencil that I use. You can get that at your local beauty supply store as well. Now I'm going to show you guys the 3 utensils that I use: a spoolie, an angle brush, and a regular concealer brush, as well as the finishing touch for the brows, which is the Top Brow Mascara. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean up my eyebrows. I just use the spoolie to go ahead and push all the long hairs that's up, and then I go over with the scissors. After I get done with going over with the scissors, I go ahead and use my eyebrow razor blade, and I just get all the little bitty stubby hairs that wouldn't come off, as you can see that I'm doing right now. So now we can go ahead and get into shaping the eyebrows. I will say this: when it comes to natural eyebrows, everybody, well, majority of people, eyebrows are not going to always be the exact same shape. Like, both eyebrows won't match each other. With me, this eyebrow that I'm working on is naturally perfect, and the other eyebrow isn't. So I have to adjust to it by using the concealer, as you will see further on in the video. But right now I just outlined my eyebrow with my pencil, and now I'm going in with the Anastasia pomade, and I'm filling in the rest of the eyebrow. All right, I know y'all probably like, what is going on right now? But this actually is a guide to help me on creating even eyebrows. As you can see, this eyebrow that I'm working on right now has more of an arch than the one that I just did. So you'll see throughout the video how I make the one that doesn't have an arch look more archier, if that's a word, more arched, like this one that I'm working on right now. But this was a technique that I used. Someone from YouTube, you know, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I saw someone do this, and it's actually been helping me a lot. And my eyebrows, in my opinion, has been perfect ever since then. So yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and get into putting a concealer on the eyebrows to shape them. And now it's time to get this eyebrow to look more arched like the other one. I won't even continue to talk. I'll just let the rest of the video speak for itself. Before I go, I do want to let you guys know this eyebrow, I'm going to use the concealer. And the other eyebrow, no, this eyebrow, I'm going to use the foundation. And then the other eyebrow, I'm going to use the concealer at the top, so you guys can know that you can use concealer and or foundation. Now, using foundation, I only use foundation if I'm not doing a full face. That would be the only time I use foundation, if I just want to wear lashes and do my eyebrows. When I do the concealer, as you will see on the other eyebrow, that's when you know I'm doing a full face. Now, I know a lot of y'all are probably asking about the rest of that white residue that's on my eyebrows. My face. So what I would do is I would get some type of oil and a cloth, or I can use or you can use your finger and just rub in wherever that residue is at, that white powdery residue, and it'll come completely off, like with no problem. You can even use like a brush to go ahead and get the rest of that residue stuff off. But as you can see, my eyebrows are even. If you ask me, I think I did a pretty good job. If you have any questions, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.